I'm Howard Ankin, and I'm very happy to be here today with Margaret Benson in the offices of the Chicago Volunteer Legal Services. Meg, how are you today?
I'm good. How are you, Howard?
Will you tell us what is Chicago Volunteer Legal Services?
Chicago Volunteer Legal Services, or CVLS, is at its essence a legal aid program, but more importantly, it's a pro bono legal aid program which uses volunteer lawyers who help low-income people with their civil legal problems for free. We have over 3,000 volunteers who are active with us, who have taken cases within the last 2 years. We have thousands of clients. Nearly 2,000 of those every year are actual litigation over in court. Our volunteers take cases and help their people in court for free. So our volunteers are filling this huge need that's out there and helping bridge the gap between full-time legal aid and paid legal counsel. We do guardianship. We also represent low-income landlords who need help evicting tenants once in a while. We do a lot of family law. We do divorces, custody, visitation. We're the oldest of freestanding pro bono legal aid organization in Illinois for sure, and maybe in the country.
And you staff these resources by lawyers that work full-time for the organization and lawyers that volunteer?
We do. One of the famous things that the legal aid world will say, and lawyers need to know, is that pro bono is very cost-effective, but it's not free. And lawyers who are volunteering their services need some staff support. So CVLS has a full-time staff of 19 right now. We have 11 lawyers and 8 support staff.
A way that the Chicagoan community gives back or helps support the cause of CVLS is through your annual charity event, Race Judicata.
It's a 5K race walk along the city, generally the lakefront, and it's an amazing party afterwards. It's a party with a fun walk. Some runners like the runner better. Most people like the party.
Let's explain to people really what this race is all about, because it's really more than just a race. It's really about the Chicago legal community and law firms coming together. Yeah. It's a real bonding event, isn't it?
It is so much fun for that, and that was our goal when we started it 25 years ago. We wanted it to become the legal community's running event, because running is big. Lawyers love to run. They love the competition. Lawyers tend to be competitive. I bet that doesn't surprise you.
You know, you're giving out prizes for who wins the actual run or the race, but there's kind of like another tongue-in-cheek kind of special win is who designs the best t-shirt.
That's right. We have a lot of entries, and people really care.
And besides for the bragging rights, though, you get a trophy, don't you?
You do get a great trophy. It's a big trophy, and your t-shirt, your winning t-shirt, is in the part of it. And then there's electroplated designs of all the prior t-shirts, and you get that trophy for the wall of your office for 1 year.
We talked about how somebody could be a client at Chicago Volunteer Legal Services. If a lawyer wanted to become more involved with your organization, how would they do that?
Again, you can call our main number, but it's probably even easier for lawyers to go online, www.cvls.org. There is a place to register. We have a monthly orientation, and we tell you all about the various ways you can volunteer. All of that information is discussed at our orientation. That's the best way to start with us, but otherwise just send an email and we will steer you in the right direction.
The entire Chicago legal community really stands behind CVLS and what it stands for. Thank you, Meg.